Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsha. I am Barsha Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. Today, this video is on introduction, how to introduce oneself. We have learned so many structures, so many grammars, so many vocabularies. I think now it's time to introduce oneself. Today, this video is on introduction and we will practice in conversation as well. So let's begin with the first part of this lesson, that is introduction. Introduction in Nepali is Parichaya. Parichaya. If some people ask you to say Tapaiko Parichaya dinos, it means please give your introduction, where Tapaiko is your, Parichaya is introduction, give is dinos. Tapaiko Parichaya dinos. Some people might also say Pariche when people normally speak fastly with the word consisting ya consonant at the end. They normally tend to speak very fast and ya sound is replaced by a. So Parichaya might be spoken as Pariche by some people. Whenever we introduce ourselves to Nepali people, we greet them by saying Namaste and bowing head. So we always bow head when we say Namaste. It's very kind gesture to introduce yourself. Now, I will teach you 4 basic things to include in your introduction. First is name, second is age, third is where you live, and final is your nationality. Okay, now let me introduce myself. My name is Barsha. Mero naam Barsha ho. Mero means my, name means naam, Barsha is my name, ho means is. So in this sentence, it's an introduction sentence. So we use here ho in place of chu. If you are confused between ho and chu, please look at my previous video because it is very important grammar. My name is Barsha. Mero naam Barsha ho. Second part, my age. Ma 26 वर्ष भए. I am 26 years old. Ma 26 वर्ष भए. Here, ma means I, 26 means 26, Barsha means years, bhae means became. It's a become conjugation. Became is the past form of become. So hunu verb is the present and it changes to bhae in the past. So ma 26 varsa bhae. It means I became 26 years old. Regarding the change of hunu to bhae, I will make another video. Please stay tuned with us. And for numbers video, I have already made the numbers video. You can find the link below in the description. Now, where do I live? Ma Sanepama Baschu. Ma Sanepama Baschu. It means I live in Sanepa. In this sentence, Basnu verb means to live. So Basnu has basically 2 meanings. One is to live, second is to sit. So in this sentence, I have used as to live. I live in Sanepa. Ma Sanepama Baschu. Now the final part is nationality. Ma Nepali hu. Ma Nepali hu, which means I am Nepali. So here ma means I, am means who, Nepalese means Nepali. Ma Nepali hu. So with this, you can introduce yourself. Let's review once again. मेरो नाम वर्षा हो. म 26 वर्षको भए. म सानेपामा बस्छु. म नेपाली हुँ. So these are the 4 basic sentences you can say while you introduce yourself. Now, after this introduction session, let's hear general conversation between 2 people. Namaste.
नमस्ते.
तपाईको नाम के हो?
मेरो नाम शाहरुख शेख हो. तपाईको नि?
मेरो नाम वर्षा बस्नेत हो।
तपाईँ सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ?
म सन्चै छु, तपाईँ नि?
म पनि सन्चै छु।
तपाईँ कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ?
म बानेश्वरमा बस्छु। अनि तपाईँ?
म सानेपामा बस्छु।
तपाईँ कति वर्ष हुनुभयो?
म 26 वर्ष भए। तपाईँ नि?
म 25 वर्ष भए।
तपाईँ के काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
म विद्यार्थी हुँ। अनि तपाईँ?
म नेपाली भाषा सिकाउने शिक्षिका हुँ।
तपाईँले खाना खानुभयो त?
मैले खाना खाएको छैन। म एकछिनपछि खान्छु। तपाईँले नि?
मैले भर्खरै खाएँ।
तपाईँलाई नेपाल कस्तो लाग्यो?
मलाई नेपाल सुन्दर र शान्त लाग्यो।
तपाईँलाई भेटेर मलाई एकदम खुसी लाग्यो।
मलाई पनि।
फेरि भेटौँला।
फेरि भेटौँला।
This was the lesson on introduction and general conversation. I hope this lesson was useful for you, and if you want to learn more advanced lessons on Nepali language, stay connected with us by subscribing our channel. And if this video was useful for you, do not forget to give likes and share it with your friend. Thank you. Namaste.